Amidst the greenery of the mango field, there exists a small nest on the end of a short branch. Made with twigs and spider webs, this compact conical structure is a home to a pair of Indian paradise flycatcher and their offsprings. In Indian subcontinent, monsoon is the prime time for these flycatcher to breed. Being socially monogamous, both male and female take part in nest building and brooding of the young. This flycatcher family has 3 chicks to feed. Continuous call for food makes the parents restless. As both take turns to bring food for the young ones. The diet normally consists of small insects, moth, where a butterfly makes a good meal. Grooming 3 chicks is not an easy task. Newborn may get sick. Not every hatchling makes it to the open sky. It's the law of nature. However, Mama Flycatcher is tending her sick baby without giving a second thought. Clean and hygiene nest is the key to survival of the hatchlings. Paradise chicks, like many other birds' chick, poops in fecal sac. Even some baby gives signal to their parents by turning their rear, indicating they are about to eliminate. Removal of waste not only